Hello, this is Carson Galway. Today I'm showing you my Twit Dog Bank. It was given to me by my sister, and for Christmas. And I'll show you how it works. So here's the bank. It's very, very nice. You can see the yellow and green. You can see the dog and the clown holding the hoop. So you put a coin in the dog's mouth. Then you press this little lever and it goes like this. Kind of cool, eh? Let's try again. I have some coins from different countries like England and like India. So this one is English. So we're gonna use this and put it in here, and we're gonna watch it. We gotta reset it. We're gonna reset, and we got some weird coin. I don't know what it's from, but I'm gonna put it in the dog's mouth. It wants to go through the hoop. It's classic. And this coin is from Costa Rica. Yes. Can't show you the details because my camera won't be able to pick it up. You put it in the dog's mouth and watch it go. And this looks like a Chinese coin. Cinco centavos. So you put the coin in, like that, and you let go. So that's my video. I hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace out.